Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Since the Kentucky Derby is right around the corner and I live in Kentucky and I love the Derby and horse races, I'm going to show you how to make a mint julep, the signature drink of the Kentucky Derby. I am actually going to show you how to make a skinny one. I'm also going to show you how you can make the regular ones with all the calories and all the sugar. You just need a few ingredients. What we need to do first is we need to muddle some mint leaves. I got these fresh mint leaves from our neighbor. They are growing some. They have so many and they smell so amazing. So you do want fresh mint leaves. You could get these at your local grocery store as well. We are going to pour 2 tablespoons of water into our mixer. Now, instead, if you were not doing this sugar-free or low calorie, you would just use 2 tablespoons of simple syrup. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of Truvia. It's just a low calorie sweetener. You can also always add more sugar later if it's not sweet enough for you. And then I'm gonna take about 8 mint leaves here. You do wanna take them off of the stem. I love the taste and flavor of mint, so for me, the more the better. Now, I still have not gotten a real muddler, so I'm just gonna use this little melon baller, but if you have a good muddle, use that. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna muddle these leaves down in there. We're going to add 2 ounces of bourbon. If you are coming to Kentucky, you don't normally live here, you're coming for the Kentucky Derby, I would say visit one of the bourbon distilleries. There are so many amazing ones, Maker's Mark, Woodford Reserve, Blanton's. I believe the bourbon of the Kentucky Derby is Woodford Reserve, so that's what we're gonna be using today. I do also love Blanton's, I love Maker's Mark. We're gonna put 2 ounces of bourbon. One of the key ingredients in a mint julep is crushed ice. I don't know what the crushed ice does to make it taste so good, but it is so important in this mint julep recipe. I do not have crushed ice, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna take regular ice that I got out of our refrigerator. I'm gonna put it into a bag, and I'm just going to take this mallet here. You could also use a hammer, and I am just going to crush this ice. Now we're just gonna pour that crushed ice into our mixer. We're gonna shake this up. Then we're gonna take our glass, and you wanna fill the glass completely full of crushed ice. You're almost making like an icy or a dome. If you have an icy maker, that would be great as well. Use that ice. We're gonna pour our mixture right over that ice. You're going to add a couple little mint sprigs. What I also like to do, if this is a little bit too strong, is I'll add some low-calorie ginger ale. I like to use Ale 8 because it is brewed here in Kentucky. You could also use a regular ginger ale. It does not have to be diet or low-calorie. Just pour a little bit on top, mix that up. There you have the perfect mint julep for the Kentucky Derby. Good luck on the races if you're betting or going. I hope you enjoy Kentucky if you come here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.